Has your mouse started getting jittery and not tracking properly? I bet it's the SKATES on the back. I'm going to show you how to replace them. Okay, my mouse is a Logitech. This is a pretty basic one. You've probably seen it a million times. These little things right here, these dots, these are called the SKATES, mouse skates, and they're actually the problem. They will wear away eventually. Let me show you a new one. So this is my old one and this is a brand new one, and let me show you the difference. This new one has very clearly defined bumps. You can feel there's a little ridge there, there's a ridge down here. But on the old one, this is completely worn away right here. This one's almost worn away, and this one, it's about halfway. So this is why my mouse has been jittery lately. When I tried to go on the desk, it's not working. Well, you could buy a new mouse, but if you have a really expensive mouse and you want a better solution, you can buy mouse skates. This one right here, I found it on Amazon. It is specifically for the Logitech mouse, and you can see it's got the two little ones and the big one on the bottom, and there's enough here for 2 replacements. So that's not a bad deal. I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace. The first step is to remove the old skates. So I'm just going to kind of pick at these and get these off of here so that we have a nice, fresh, clean surface. Got that one off. That was surprisingly easy because they were already pretty worn. So this little packet comes with an alcohol pad and the replacement skates. I'm going to use this to wipe off the bottom of the mouse. So let this dry, and this will help make sure that the new adhesive sticks really well. Now that it's dry, I'm just going to peel these little bits off and just stick them right here where they go. I've replaced one, let's do the other. Check it out. Okay, now let's get the one on the bottom. These are really sticky. Oh, look at those beautiful new skates. Now my mouse is going to work great. I mean, the difference is remarkable. I just did some mousing on the computer and it's so much better, nice and smooth. This is definitely the way to go. Now they're called mouse skates or sometimes mouse feet. I will put a link below to the ones that I used specifically here, but you can find all different ones to fit your mouse. And if you have a really expensive mouse or one that you really love and you don't want to have to get a new one, this is a great way to save it. I hope that helped you with your mouse troubles. Thanks for watching. See ya.